Yes, the Native Instruments Komplete Start bundle is full of free effects and free instruments, and these aren't trials, they're not demos, these are absolutely free for you to keep. And in this video, I'm going to look at what's new in the Komplete Start bundle, plus we'll look at what you get overall, and why this is a must-have download for anyone wanting to make music on a budget or just wanting to add some great quality plugins to their library. But first, very quickly, how do you get this bundle? Well, you click the link down in the description. It's going to take you right to the Native Instruments Komplete Start bundle page. And then from there, you click the free download button, log in or create a new account if you need to, and then click the Get Komplete Start button. It's now going to be in your account, and you need to install the Native Access plugin manager, which makes it very easy to download and install these plugins. Plus, it makes it easy to update them later on. And after you install them from the plugin manager, you can easily load them up into your digital audio workstation. So what's new in this bundle? Well, first I want to talk about the Guitar Rig 7 player. Guitar Rig's been my go-to amp sim plugin lately due to its excellent sound quality. In previous versions, you only got one amp model and it was decent, but you only got one for free. Now in this new version, you get two amp models for free, plus you get the matched cabinet for each of those. Also in here, you get a selection of studio effects, including reverbs, delays, distortions, EQs, modulation, and some excellent compressors. Another new addition to the Komplete Start bundle is the iZotope Ozone 11 EQ. I've used Ozone as a mastering tool for many years, and this free plugin gives you one of the key parts to Ozone's sound. It's the EQ. Yes, another EQ plugin, but this one has some cool stuff up its sleeve, like the new transient and sustain processing. It's a super easy EQ to use, and even though this is considered a mastering EQ, you can use this on individual tracks as well. There's even quite a few presets in here that cover various instruments. Now let's look at the Raum Reverb plugin, and I'm pretty sure this is new to the bundle. It wasn't there the last time I got it. It was a free plugin before, but it wasn't part of this bundle. They actually started charging money for it. I think it was around $70. So with Raum, you kind of get three reverbs in one. It has a room mode, a hall mode, and then a more creative cosmic mode. So you can use it as a subtle, excellent sounding reverb plugin, or you can get crazy and creative with it and just have fun. Also new to the bundle is iZotope's Vinyl. Now this is a free plugin that you can already get, but now it's part of this bundle, and it's an easy to use plugin that gives you some excellent lo-fi sounds. Now let's look at some of the new instruments in the Komplete Start bundle, and we'll start with Hypha. This is a nature-inspired synth with some very cool sounds. It was free before, but now it's included in this bundle. Also in here, there's this Yangqin Instrument, and that wasn't part of the bundle before. It's a cool little instrument worth checking out. And you also get the Irish Harp in here. So that's a look at some of the new stuff, but also in here, you get 50 instruments in the Contact Factory Selections 2 bundle. And these include drum kits, band instruments, beats, and so much more. Also, you get the Analog Dreams and Ethereal Earth instruments, plus there's some effects that you get, like the supercharger compressor, the replica delay plugin. So what makes this free bundle worth downloading and installing another plugin manager on your computer? Well, for one, these are top quality effects and instruments that you get in this bundle. And what I really love is that they're giving you more than a complete start. You're getting your 5 basics for mixing. You have an EQ, compressor, saturation, delay, and reverb in there. Plus, you're getting an incredible sounding guitar amp sim plugin and a ton of excellent instruments in there. And if you want to add an amazing free drum plugin, click the video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.